Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I will show you Bookapp multi-vendor service. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard is total profit, service, transaction, product, order, blog, vendors, users, subscribers. Then scroll down, you can see monthly income, monthly with appointment, then multi-vendor menu. This is all menu. You can add and delete. Okay, then package management settings, then package, you can add package, edit and delete and change status. Then subscription logo, all subscription logo in here. Then service management settings, category, subcategory, you can create and edit, delete. Then service, you can add service and edit and delete. Then future service equation. Then staff management, staff, you can add staff. Schedule setting, day, holiday. Then appointment, all appointment, pending appointment, accept appointment, reject appointment. Then shop management settings, tax amount, shopping charge, then shipping charge, coupon, manage product, category, product. You can add product, you can add category, and others, report, wallet, withdraw, payment method, withdraw request, then transaction, you can see transaction, then user management, register user, add user, subscriber, then vendor management settings, register vendor, add vendor, then page, home page, about, work processing, FAQ, blog, content, footer, then support ticket, setting, all ticket, pending ticket, open ticket, then close ticket, advertisement, all advertisement, then announcement, settings, general settings, email settings, payment gateway settings, language, plugins, then cookie, social media, then admin management, rules and permission, then register admin, profile, you can customize your profile and change your password. If you want this, check out link in the description below. Thank you.